A quick video on how to switch out your Icon Airflite Cobra Commander style looking visor. So basically you're going to take right up in here, it's going to pull out like that, comes out with these two little nose. Go in here and here. Don't be afraid to pull, just pull. And that's on both sides. Comes right off. Then you're gonna take, you get little notches. What I gotta do is pull back on both sides. Pop right off. These visors are great, but they scratch pretty easily. Use about once a year. I usually use the chrome, but I went with the gold because I don't remember them having gold last time. Come all pre-wrapped. Peel it right off. And when you put it on, it's the same thing. You're just going to line these notches. These. Like that. You're going to hold that while you do the other side. Like that. Now all you got to do is pull down. Rotate down. Like that. Pop your thing back on. Line them up. Like that. Like that. Same thing, 2 holes, 2 notches. Line it up. Done. Easy as pie.